I'm Kumar sharing with you a test question to find the equation of a parabola in standard form. The equation here is determine equation of a parabola in standard form with x-intercepts 1 plus minus square root 5 passing through the point 3 minus 5. You can always pause the video, answer the question, and then look into my suggestions. So we can write the equation of parabola as y equals to a times, we are given two x-intercepts. So x minus first x-intercept is, let me write like this, minus, and within brackets I'll write 1 plus square root 5, right? This is the first root, times x minus 1 minus square root 5. Does it make sense to you? Since we are given that the two roots are 1 plus square root 5 and the other one is 1 minus square root 5, correct? So x minus x1, let's say this is x1, this is x2, times x minus x2. A, so that we are specific, we know that the point is 3 minus 7, right? Okay. Now at this stage, to expand, we can use the strategy a plus b times a minus b is equals to a square minus b square, right? So what you can do is treat x minus 1, or let me rewrite this so that it becomes absolutely clear. Open the bracket, so we get x minus 1 minus square root 5 times x minus 1 plus square root 5, correct? So treat x minus 1 as a, right? I mean a plus b and a minus b. So then you can expand it using the formula a times square of x minus 1, right? Let me use square brackets. X minus 1 whole square minus square of square root 5, correct? That is how you can do it. Now let's expand. We get x squared minus 2ab, which is 2x, plus square of 1, and square of square root is the number itself, which is 5. And that gives us a times x squared minus 2x minus 4, correct? To find the value of a, we can now use the point 3 minus 7. Minus 7 is the y value and 3 is your x value. So we'll write 3 squared minus 2 times 3 minus 4, right? That gives us minus 7 is equals to 9 minus 6 minus 4, which is minus 1. So we get minus a equals to minus 7, or we get a equals to, 7, right? Once you know what a is, we can substitute this value here in this equation, right? And then write down the answer, which is right there. So we have y equals to a is 7 for us, 7 times x squared minus 2x minus 4. Open the brackets. We get y equals to 7x squared minus 14x minus 28. So that is how you can get standard form from the given roots when the roots are in radical form, as in this particular question. I hope that helps. Thank you and all the best.